This is a quick unboxing of the Kreo Hive 65 keyboard. I ordered it from Amazon for a price of 2,899 rupees plus 5 rupees platform fees. So the total cost turned out to be 2,904 rupees. It comes in this bubble wrap as protection for the box. Let me open it up. So there you have it. This is the front of the box. Hive 65. It's an RGB keyboard branded as gaming keyboard. Creo branding. Side of the box. Gasket mounted keyboard. It has double layer sound absorption. Per key RGB. There is software support to change the lighting. It has a 1000 Hz polling rate. Creo branding. Back of the box. Go beyond limits. The product name Hive 65 RGB gaming keyboard. Model. The MRP indicated on the box is 4,999. Month of import January 2025. It is manufactured in China and it has a 400-day warranty. Let's get into the box. Blast off into the cryosphere. A QR code. We are presented with the keyboard, a foam cover for dust protection, user manual, I'll get into more details later on. Some plastic sheet, sticker, a detachable braided cable, USB-C to USB-A, we have extra switch, a switch puller, a very flimsy one, keycap puller, let's look at the keyboard. This is how the keyboard looks. It's a 65% keyboard. It also has a knob. The knob is quite tactile. Back of the keyboard, Kreo branding. Before I sign off, a quick sample of the sound. That's it with this video. A detailed review of this keyboard will follow soon.